Now this is the way you can actually make it interactive. So you can ask the user to provide the input, right? And you can say input. So you'll say, hi, what's your name? And then it will ask for the feedback from the user. So you'll say Bonnie. Then it will say, hello Bonnie. This is again, something that is very convenient in terms of building the interactivity with the Python, right? So go ahead and give it a try. So the keyword over, or the method over here, is the input. So I will execute so that you know how it's going to run. So look, I execute it. Now it's waiting for a certain input from the user. Remember the asterisk over here that denotes it's running. It's not running, actually it's waiting for the user feedback. So I'm going to go and insert the name. So for example, I will go and say REVA, right? And then hit enter. Hello REVA, right?